Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to create discounts and promotions in Shopify. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, make sure that you are logged in with your Shopify store, and after logged in to your Shopify store, here you can see we have bunch of different options. So here you can see we have discounts option. Okay, so you just need to click on discounts, and then what you're gonna have to do, if you don't have any previous discounts here, then you can click on create discount. Now here are different discount types that you can select. You can basically add discount to a specific products, okay, or you can add this type of discount like if someone basically buys any product from you, so you can basically give it another extra, like buy one get one free, like this. And then you can basically add the discount to the total amount as well, and you can basically also offer the free shipping as well. So for this tutorial we will use this amount of p- products. Click on this one, and now here you can see that we have two different options. Basically, the first is discount code. For this you need to generate the random code, and you need to basically your customer basically need to have this code in order to get this discount. And the second one is automatic discount, and this is good. You will select automatic discount, then you will basically give your discount a title that you want, and then from here you can basically add the discount percentage, that how much discount, how much in percentage you want to give the discount. So let's say 2%. And then here it says like you can basically applies it to specific products and specific collections as well. And then from here you can browse, and if you have any collections you can select and click on add. And then you can basically minimum purchase requirements as well. Okay, you can basically like set minimum purchase requirements, like the customer needs to like basically spend this amount of money, like need to purchase at this point in order to basically get this discount, or basically minimum quantity of items that he or she needs to buy in order to get this discount from here. And then combinations, which is like this product discount can be combined with like product discounts, order discounts, shipping discounts as well. And then you can basically start add the start and end date, and then you can save the discount and discount will start. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.